Hello students, in this video we are going to see your 10th Samachir book bag synonyms. Your first lesson is his first flight. Ledge, a narrow shelf that juts out from a vertical surface, shrilly, producing a high-pitched and piercing voice or sound. Herring, a long silver fish that swims in large groups in the sea. Devour, to eat something eagerly and in large amounts so that nothing is left. Cackle, a sharp broken noise or cry of a hen, goose or seagull. Mackerel, a sheefish with a strong taste often used as food. Gnaw, to bite or chew something repeatedly. Trot, to run at a moderate pace with short steps. Precipice, a very steep side of a cliff or a mountain. Whet, to sharpen. Preening, cleaning feathers with beak. Plaintively, sadly, calling in a sad way. Swoop, to move very quickly and easily through the air. Beckoning, making a gesture with the hand or head to encourage someone to approach or follow. Now we are going to see your second lesson, The Night the Ghost Got In. Hullabaloo, lot of loud noise made by people who are excited. Patrolman, a patrolling police officer. Attic, a space or room inside or partly inside the roof of a building. Slamming, shutting a door or window forcefully and loudly. Gruffly, sadly, intuitively, without conscious reasoning, instinctively. Whammed, struck something forcefully. Beveled, reduced to a sloping edge. Creaking, making a squeaking sound when being moved. Indignant, feeling or showing anger or annoyance at what is perceived as unfair treatment. Holster, a holder made of leather for carrying handgun. Rafter, a beam forming part of the internal framework of a roof. Deserter, a person who leaves the armed force without permission. Rending, tearing to pieces. Yonked, pulled with a jerk. Jinther, a musical instrument consisting of a flat wooden soundbox with numerous strings stretched across it, placed horizontally and played with fingers. Guinea pig, a domesticated, tailless South American rodent originally raised for food. Hysterical, affected by widely uncontrolled emotion. To the third lesson, empowered woman navigating the world. Circumnavigate, to travel all the way around something, especially the earth. Indigenously, naturally, innately, inherently. Consonance, agreement or compatibility between opinions or actions. Skipper, to act as a master or captain of a vessel, especially a small boat. Expedition, a journey or voyage made for some specific purpose such as of war or exploration. Replenishment, restoration of a stock or supply to former level or condition. Apprehensive, anxious or fearful that something bad or unpleasant will happen. Contention, a strenuous effort struggling together in opposition. Auxiliary, additional, used as a reserve or substitute in case of need. Anticipate, to foresee, to realize beforehand, to expect, be sure of. Bioluminescence, the production of light by living organisms. Golgappas, the other term for Panipuri. Moral, emotional or mental condition with respect to confidence, especially in the face of hardships. Now to your fourth lesson, the attic. bifurcated, divided into two. Revive, to bring something back to life. Soothing, making someone feel calm. Rustic, typical of the countryside. Dilated, wider than usual. Ascertained, confirmed, overwrought. State of being upset. Attic, the space or room at the top of a building under the roof. Crumbled, broken. Spire, a tall pointed structure on a top of a building, especially on top of church tower. Unperturbed, undisturbed. Affluent, wealthy. Smacks, drive or put forcefully into or onto something. Now we are going to see your fifth lesson, Tech Bloomers. Grapple, to fight, especially in order to win something. Cerebral palsy, permanent tightening of the muscles caused by damage to the brain. Dragon Dictate, it's a software which recognizes speech and converts it to text. Assistive technologist, a person who assists with technological gadgets to overcome disability. Gaze, stare at something for a long time. Liberator communication device, a special device used to communicate with eye movements. Inclusion, the act of including someone or something. Cloister, enclosed by. Collaborative process, produced by or involving two or more parties working together. Now we are going to see your sixth lesson, the last lesson. Chirping, making a sharp, high-pitched sound, usually by small birds or insects. Bustle, move in an energetic manner. Unison, simultaneous utterance of words. Rapping, striking with a series of rapid, audible blows. Thumbed, a book which has been read often and bearing the marks of frequent handling. Cranky, strange, Saar, a river in northeastern France and western Germany. Angelus, a Roman Catholic devotion commemorating the incarnation of Jesus and including the Hail Mary said at morning, noon, and sunset. Vive la France is an expression used in French to show patriotism. It's difficult to translate the term literally in English, but it generally means long live France. We are moving to your last lesson, the dying detective. Gaunt, lean, especially because of suffering, hunger, or age. Twitched, give short, sudden jerking movements. Contagious, spreading of a disease from one person to another by direct contact. Groan, make a deep, inarticulate sound conveying pain or despair. Plague, a contagious bacterial disease characterized by fever. Bolted, close the door with the bar that slides into a socket. Mantelpiece, a structure of wood or marble above or around the fireplace. Half crown, a former British coin equal to 2 shillings and 6 pence. Tongs, a device used for picking up object consisting of two long pieces free at one end and pressed together at the other end. Delirious, disturbed state of mind characterized by restlessness. Frail, weak and delicate. Startle, felt sudden shock or alarm. Scuffle, to have a sudden short fight.